Ever felt your RV turn into a sauna on summer trips, sweating through sleepless nights and sticky afternoons? Struggling with noisy, inefficient AC units that barely cool? Constant power drain making you worry about battery life? Annoyed by loud fans drowning out peaceful moments? Wish your RV had reliable, quiet climate control? Introducing our top 10 RV air conditioners for this season. Energy-efficient models for lower power consumption. Quiet operation means restful sleep and relaxing drives. Reliable performance keeps your comfort consistent on the road. Sleek designs blend perfectly with modern RV interiors. Smart app and remote controls for easy adjustments. High-efficiency cooling even in extreme summer heat. Digital thermostats for precise temperature settings. Low-profile units save space and reduce drag. Weather-resistant rooftop designs built for travel. Efficient filtration for fresher, cleaner cabin air. Multiple control options, remote, smartphone, digital panel. Easy installation for quick upgrades to any RV. Before noisy, weak AC. Uncomfortable journeys, restless nights. After, quiet, powerful cooling. Peaceful travel, restful sleep. Before, high energy bills, frequent breakdowns. After, energy savings, reliable comfort every mile. Before, manual adjustments, uneven temperatures. After, smart control, perfect climate at your fingertips. Enjoy comfort, convenience, and efficiency wherever you roam. Travel enthusiasts and RV owners deserve better air conditioning. Upgrade your RV experience this season. Choose from our top 10 RV air conditioners today. Stay cool, sleep well, and enjoy every journey. Ready for ultimate comfort? Click the link in the description to explore our collection.